Okay. First ball for the Golden Boys. Istawi, pass to number 60. Sa ilalim, kicks out again. Number 20 will fire. By number 20. Pedri. It's David firing. Bumawi ka agad. David Pedri. Bongat, okay. Bongat, I'm sorry. Estoy on the attack, kicks out number 20, Tabon Taki, number 20 again, Nadubensa, number 25 on the ball, 8 seconds to shoot, and a spill by Gabriel, is Bongat behind the back, pass, for Alcantara, that's the good kill. Ito na si number 20 on the other side, nice pass away, no good on the shot on the foot clock, number 25, that's the good kill. It's Bongat now on the ball. Bongat, the pass intercepted. Who is number 60? On the layup is two. It's number 7, firing and missing on the rebound. Number 60 now up and running. Goes inward. Pass to number 25. Creating a space, number 25. No good ball on that whole way. The ball goes out of bounds. Baseball. Inside pass to number 35. Oh, iniwalupa. No good on the layup. Here comes Alcantara. Walang bola. Gabriel on the putback. That's for the two. It's Mendoza now, being the point guard. Mendoza setting up his teammates. Tawi. The pass to number 60 on the fake. Nakapayungan ni Mercado. And a rebound by Gabriel. It is Alcantara. Alcantara to Mercado. What a nice ball movement. But no good at all. Here comes Tawi. Tawi, he fumbles. Tapigan. At dinambot ni Mercado. Mercado. Pass to Bongat. Bongat. Aliyo pass. Gabriel on the reverse. That's the good goal. What a nice game. Being shot by Golden Boys. It's Mendoza. The pass inside to number 25. What a nice pass. A nice play. Number 25. That's good for two. Alcantara now on the ball, signaling his teammates to Mercado in the middle. Mercado kicks out number 7. He takes. He drives. Emergency pass. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Alcantara, a drop pass on the reverse. Gabriel, no good. Shot clock reset. Gabriel again. Gabriel for two. Okay. Official score natin. 6 minutes and 45. 11-9 is the official score. In favor of Alicante team. That's a foul. Foul was committed by number 20. No foul. First team foul para sa Golden Boys. Alcantara being carded. Mercado to Arce. Pass to Bongat. Bongat driving. Kicks out. Alcantara firing. Alcantara missing. Bongat picks up the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bongat will fire. Bongat will miss. Number 25 on the rebound and a pass break. Here's Uno on the layup. Overshoots. No good on the putback. Para kay number 15. And here comes Arce. 3 on 2. Arce. A nice pass para kay Bongat. Bongat to Gabriel. Gabriel causing the issue. No good on the layup. And number 20 Mendoza steps on the break. Eto na aatake. Mendoza zigzagging. Kicks out number 60. Faking. Cross-court pass to number 15. Number 15 now. He fumbles number 25. Now bola. Arce. And a fast break. All alone for Mercado. Mercado is a fool. Time out. Time out. Golden Boys. Time remaining 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Official score 19-13. Hey, here comes Mendoza now on the ball. Inside pass. Uy. Alcantara. A nice pass. Tinapik pa ang board. That's good. 2 points for Gabriel. Sige po. And still, Alcantara, nice pass para kay Bongat. Bongat, nilabag sa ring yung bola. Bongat for 2. Mendoza zigzagging on the spin and the pass. The ball was saved. Here comes Bongat again. 3-on-2. Pass to Alcantara for 2. Barrientos firing and missing. Rebound. Puro higante at tumalon. And number 25, no good on that layup. Alcantara on the ball, on the spin. Alcantara pa rin yan. Inahabol yung number 4. Alcantara. What a nice dish. But Asa can connect. And here comes number 1 now on the ball. And up and running. Number 1. All the way to the basket for 2. As Arce, zigzagging Arce, forcing the issue. There's a whistle. What's the... Mamaya, sir. Okay, substitution. Number 25 on the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And a steal by Alcantara. Napakabilis Alcantara on the layup for 2. It's Tawi now on the ball. Inside pass to number 15. Number 15 on the post. Inside number 25. Sa baba pa ang tawag. Paulo na. Three minutes and 8 seconds. On the putback, number 25. That's number 2. Excellent 3 minutes. It's Alcantara to Bongat. Inside to Mercado. Miscommunication. It's Tawi, the pass. Barrientos to Tawi, top of the key. He takes. Alio pass to number 1. Chamos block from behind. Emergency pass. And Bongat on the ball. Bongat. He lays it in. At huli-huli. Nabigay na. Alcantara to Vidal. Number 18, Giao back to Vidal. Two-man show. Vidal will fire. Vidal. That's a miss. And a fast break. Last 2 minutes on the first quarter. Wala para kay Uno. At sumapit number 18. Second throw school. Es Alcantara, signaling his teammates. Pass to Bongat. At nakagaw pa, number 4, Uno, 1-on-1 on Vidal. Uno on the layup, Uno for 2. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Alcantara to Vidal. To Giao. No look pass, intercepted. Tawi, a pass break para kay Uno. Good ball. Uno firing and missing. Rebound for Giao. 1 minute and 24 seconds left. Here comes Bongat driving. Bongat. Nagmerienda po sa error pero kinapos ang tira. Here comes Tawi. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Tawi pa rin. Tawi on a crossover. A pass inside. Intercepted by Giao. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Still on Giao. Pass to Vidal. Nice pass to Castillo for 2. 50 seconds left on the first quarter. It's Barrientos. The pass to number 2. Number 2. 4-3. Third team foul para sa Team Alicante. Second throw is good. 35 seconds. Alcantara to Vidal. 30 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Alcantara will fire. Alcantara no good. Rebound. Tabi ka ng bola. Tawi now. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock short. Foul on number 2. Pushing foul on number 2. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the first quarter. Official score is 24-17. 7-point lead enjoyed by Alicante team. Hospital. Pasok Candelaria. Inside pass to Gel. Gel to Nicolas. Nicolas firing. Nicolas missing. Mendoza. Number 24 to Mendoza again. Mendoza kicks out to number 60. Number 2 firing. That's good for 2. For 2. Hospital. Good for teammate. To Mercado. Mercado attacking. Pasok Candelaria. Candelaria to Giao. Kicks out to Vidal again. Tama. Oy! That's traveling. First throw for Elliot. First throw. That's good. Second throw is good. Nice pass by Vidal to Mercado. No good on the layup. That's Mendoza. Mendoza. Number 24 on the ball. Number 19. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24 will fire. No good. Tapik ng bola. 8 seconds to shoot. Walang tinamaan. And Vidal on the ball. The pass to Candelaria. Candelaria. He lays lead for 2. Mendoza fires up a 3. Hinain ng konti. Rebounded by Mercado. Hospital to Mercado. Mercado, top of the key. Firing and missing. Yao on the rebound. Yao creating a space. Forcing the issue. Nabitawan ng bola. There's Candelaria. Pass to Nicolas. Left alone on the 3. Fires. No rebound by number 60, Elliot. Is Mendoza. Mendoza to 60. No look pass. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Extra pass to Mendoza for 2. 8 seconds on the second quarter. 14 seconds on the shot clock. A nice pass to Giao inside. The Golden Boys. 7 minutes and 3 seconds. Bombs throw no good para kay Giao. And it is number 20, Mendoza. Magtitimon ng bola para sa Golden Boys. Mendoza, pass to number 6. That's a little short. Trust mo kayo ng konti. Gabriel, kinanan at kinaliwa. Gabriel for 2. It's Moreno. Number 60, Elliot, no good. Yes, Pizal on the floor. Pass to Giao. Looking for Nicolas. Back to Giao. What a spin. To Vidal, top of the key. Firing and missing. Elliot on the rebound. Yes, Moreno. Moreno driving. Kicks out. Number 6 no good, rebound para kay Degrano. Degrano creating a space. Degrano. Unang foul pa lang ni Mercado. First throw is good. Mamaya pa kayo pwede mag-sub. Okay. Second throw no good, rebounded by Gabriel. Okay, substitution. Number 19, cross-court pass. Iwan si Mendoza. Mendoza, ball two. Magdalaw di attack. Whistle goal. Second throw. Okay, substitution. Bidal down. Medrano, ready na space. At may kumagat. First throw is good. On the rebound and the putback, number 6, that's good for 2. Nicolas fires up. No good. There comes Mendoza. Cross-court pass para kay number 6 to number 60. At naagawan. Okay, substitution. Nicolas out. Arces in. Alcantara receiving. Alcantara splitting the defense. Kicks out. Arce firing. Arce! It's Mendoza. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mendoza zigzagging. And Bongat now on the ball. It's Alcantara. To Arce. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Arce firing. Arce missing. Rebound. Try number 15. Relax lang. Basket is good. One free throw for the Grano. One throw, no good. Rebound. Gabriel. Uy, jump ball yan. Araw possession tayo. Same ball tayo, same ball. 10 seconds on the shot. Chavos block by Mercado. Both teams are in penalty. Mamaya. First throw is good. Boss. Ano yung ano? Masisira to. Inatak nyo na yung inatak. Matatali kami. Bongat to 2. Is Barrientos. Second throw. Mercado to Bongat, open three. Hesitates, firing, and missing on the rebound. Mercado to the cutting Bongat. Bongat, extra pass, the ball goes out of bounds. Seconds. Fourteen seconds on shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Negrano creating a space. Negrano no good on that shot. Here comes Arce. The pass to Alcantara. Alcantara. Niyo pa sa eme. Alcantara for two. Last 50 seconds. Here's Tawi. Tawi driving. Tawi for two. 45 seconds. Nice pass. Kaya. Seconds, 45 seconds. Sobrano. Ball intercepted. 20 more seconds left. Nice block by Arce. Last 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. Second goes good. First throw is good for Mendoza.
Nabot kamay, RC.
Second throw is good. 3 seconds. Tapos na end of the second quarter. Official score is 43-38 in favor pa rin ng Alicante team. Hospital. Gabriel. Coach, pausa na uno. Hospital. To Alcantara. Nice ball movement. Alcantara, that's a miss. Rebound. Uy. Pressure defense. Para kay Degrano. Nine minutes and 36. The ball on the rebound. Ball anticipated by number 60. Number 60, looking for a teammate. Tawi. Tawi on the drop. No, look. Pass! What a nice pass by Tawi, the number 60 for two. Here's Alcantara. Kapital. Bongat. Here's Alcantara. Sigsagi. At merong itatawag dyan. Golden Boys. First throw for Alcantara is good. Okay. Reserve lang po, reserve. Second throw for Alcantara. No good. There's Bongat. Pass to Alcantara. To Bongat again. Behind the back pass to Vidal. Vidal. The pass inside. On the reverse. Good for Alcantara. Alcantara.
Samgad.
Shot clock at 14.
Punasan!
2 minutes. Shot clock at 14 seconds. One minute and 30. One minute and 20. One minute. $55 seconds.
Pusto, huli.
Raymond Mendoza nagdadala ng bola. Pinas dito. May ads na rin yung ano mo ah. Oo. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi kailangan ng pagparami ng followers ngayon. Eh. Kaso wala pang bili ng money.
Jens?
Oo.
Ano camera mo?
D2 100 data yun o D1?
Ano ko?
Oo.
Ayun lang. Wala akong ikot sila ano.
Mahal kasi. Bilis.
Three minutes and 17 seconds. Three minutes and 5 seconds. 10 to shoot. Two minutes and 10. 10 seconds on the shot clock. One. One minute and 15.
Game ball. Alicantes win.